Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with easy tips and tricks. First, choose your landing spot wisely, aiming for areas with good loot but fewer enemies. Once on the ground, prioritize finding a weapon, some armor, and healing items. Always keep an eye on your minimap for enemy footsteps and vehicle sounds. Remember, early game survival sets the stage for your entire match. When engaging in combat, always try to aim for the head to maximize damage. Practice controlling your weapon's recoil by dragging your finger down slightly while firing. Utilize cover effectively. Never stand in the open during a firefight. Peeking around corners can give you a significant advantage, exposing less of your body to enemy fire. Mastering these techniques will greatly improve your chances in direct confrontations. Understanding the shrinking play zone is crucial for survival. Always try to stay ahead of the blue zone, planning your rotations early. Vehicles can be excellent for quick escapes or covering long distances, but be mindful of their noise. When playing with a squad, communicate constantly about enemy positions, loot, and movement plans. Teamwork often makes the difference between victory and defeat in intense situations. To secure that coveted chicken dinner, focus on late-game positioning and awareness. As the zone shrinks, anticipate enemy movements and find strategic high ground or cover. Conserve your healing items for critical moments. Remember, patience is a virtue. Sometimes waiting for the perfect moment to strike is more effective than rushing in. Stay calm, adapt to the situation, and play smart to claim your victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.